The advancement of digital currency and the blockchain business has meaningfully impacted the manner in which individuals see cash and speculation. A greater part of informed people are starting to embrace the idea of decentralization, with decentralized finance, DeFi, being seen as the eventual fate of money. Crypto projects like AMP are turning out to be progressively alluring. They help to work with consistent exchanges and furthermore act as venture vehicles. This is one of the significant justifications for why this AMP value expectations and gauges will intrigue many individuals. Understanding what a computerized resource could be worth and what's in store is vital, particularly when you need to wisely contribute. Here, the center is AMP. Through the course of this video, we will talk about and feature AMP coin cost expectations as projected by our specialists and crypto investigators. We sincerely trust these gauges will assist willing financial backers with pursuing the ideal choices as respects putting resources into AMP and season of venture. AMP value forecasts 2023, 2025, 2027 and 2030. To more readily comprehend the value expectation of the AMP coin, here is a speedy outline of the AMP coin cost visualization for the next few years. End of 2023. Given the significant plunge and bear market being looked by the crypto market in 2023, it is nothing unexpected that the AMP coin has encountered a huge drop in its worth this year. Regardless, the coin is supposed to complete the year solid, with costs going up to $0.019. End of 2024. The AMP coin will probably clutch a consistent upwards pattern for the year 2024. The coin is anticipated to go as high as $0.028. End of 2025. By 2025, the crypto market will have seen expanded development in its number of clients and gradually begin going standard. This will influence the costs of all crypto tokens. The AMP coin is supposed to reach $0.054 by 2025. End of 2027. In the following 5 years, through critical organizations and local area improvement, AMP coin will see a huge lift in its utilization and number of clients. Costs are supposed to go as high as 11 cents in 2027. End of 2030. Digital currencies and blockchain, by and large, are accepted to probably gone standard by 2030. This will reflect in the costs of different crypto tokens. The AMP coin is anticipated to reach 40 cents toward the finish of 2030. What you really want to be aware of AMP. Zeroing in on the collateralization part of blockchain, the AMP plans to make computerized guarantee simple and direct for crypto clients and financial backers, subsequently dealing with a vital piece of the blockchain funding framework and furthermore expanding blockchain flexibility in world money and ventures. As a computerized insurance token, AMP is promoted as giving quick, irrefutable confirmations for any type of resource move. Networks like Fleexa and others can quickly and for all time safeguard exchanges for a scope of resource-related use cases by using AMP. AMP is a stage that might be extended to collateralize resource moves. Any sort of significant worth trade, including advanced installments, government-issued money exchange, credit payouts, property deals. From there, the sky is the limit, can be gotten by marking AMP. AMP is ready to collateralize an exchange after it has been marked to a parcel. AMP proficiently decentralizes the gamble of crypto move using security pools, making it particularly proper for extortion-resistant organizations and useful applications. When an exchange is finished, AMP improves on network reward circulation. Miniature circulations and ceaseless compounding are only two of the underlying motivating force types accessible in the AMP Brilliant agreements. Some key stand-apart highlights of the AMP project include: AMP was worked to be pretty much as versatile and strong as could be expected. AMP's open source permit empowers you to assemble and disperse particular security directors for your application's AMP interface. AMP doesn't make differentiations in light of the kind of resource or agreement strategy. AMP can be utilized as security for any trade, whether it be advanced or physical. The utilization of AMP collateralization is totally free and has gone through testing and reviewing. Applications that lock and open AMP on request are easy to make and can be utilized to get moves, work with loaning, and speed up the development of resources. AMP coin. The coin AMP is the local badge of the AMP project, which financial backers and crypto clients can put resources into to acquire different rewards and increment their capital. As the coin fills in esteem, The complete stock of AMP tokens is covered at 100 billion, and they are disseminated as follows. The improvement asset will get 25% of the entire inventory. The engineer awards will get a comparative level of tokens. Tokens will be dispensed to the establishing group and the representative pool, of which 20% is delineated for this. Group reserves are dispersed on a 4-year vesting plan, with a 1-year bluff to both current and forthcoming representatives. 10% of the leftover tokens are saved for the organization improvement asset, and the excess 20% are accommodated a year's lockup. Flexicoin filled in as Flexa organization's security cryptographic money resource. When it was first authoritatively settled, AMP was then made accessible in September 2020 as the latest guarantee token to reinforce the whole Flexa organization. It is vital to bring up that the Flexicoin can be traded for the AMP coin in a 1:1 proportion, and as currently referenced, the AMP coin was made to help the Flexa organization's solidarity in the crypto space. AMP value history. The AMP coin was sent off on September 9, 2020, and the coin began exchanging at a cost of $0.009 with an exchanging volume of more than $300,000, subsequently carrying the coin to the premium of new financial backers and crypto clients. The coin completed the year with a lower value than its underlying sending off cost. The coin got its speed in the next year, 2021, hitting new highs of up to $0.036 with an exchanging volume of nearly $11 million on February 14, 2021. By May 9, 2021, the AMP coin has developed altogether to up to 7 cents, with numerous financial backers and crypto clients flooding the crypto project. What's more, by June 17, 2021, the coin has broken its edge ever high to another high of $0.109 and an exchanging volume of $398 million. Before the finish of the following month, which is July, the coin experienced a lofty plunge, with costs colliding hard with $0.040 on July 21, 2021, with exchanging volume as low as $21 million. AMP coin later recuperated by July 29, 2021, and had costs go up to $0.077 and an exchanging volume of more than $85 million. By December 21, 2021, the AMP coin completed the year with costs in the plunge zone. The cost of the coin was recorded at $0.046. Heading into 2022, the AMP proceeded with its descending winding, recording even lower costs than it had the prior year. On January 25, 2022, the cost of the AMP coin was recorded at $0.0027 with an exchanging volume of $26.5 million. Toward the finish of 2022, the AMP coin has hit a huge low, with the cost of the coin at $0.003451 per token and an exchanging volume of $15.3 million. AMP specialized investigation. The specialized examination of any crypto token assumes an imperative part in supporting financial backers' choices on any crypto token, which they decide for their speculation. This is on the grounds that this measures a crypto token's solid and flimsy spots, showing to financial backers when to trade their crypto token to acquire greatest benefit. Given the market position and the flimsiness being looked by the crypto market, the specialized examination for the AMP coin is emphatically showing an offer right now because of certain variables, including moving midpoints, oscillators, and other significant elements